kailan. Tapos, ito, may sex certain authorized na siya si
So, good morning guys. GTA Cars, busy day today at the shop. Always naman, meron tayong mga for transmission dito, dalawang units. Hindi galing sa atin yon, mga for repair sa atin, for maintenance. So, may mga lahat to guys, releasing natin. So, ito na yung ating APV. Sila ma'am, sila sir is sikaso na ng paperworks. Fast brake unit to. Yan, 2009 Suzuki APV. Automatic transmission. So, sold na to guys. Fast brake unit pero 3-step detail, in and out, change oil, spark plugs, rehistro, kompleto na. May reverse cam pa, tsaka naka-Android head unit, white plate na rin. So, pang business nila ma'am at pang family. So, yan, mga finishing touches. Naayos na yun, naka-Android head unit. Tapos, ready for long drive to guys. Yan, Suzuki ATV. So, sold. On to the next tayo. Pero syempre, test drive muna sila. So, may mga iba pa na i-release later. Yung manual na Ford Fiesta. Tomorrow, 3. Test drive muna para, tapos kabitan natin ng mga brand new spark plugs, kahit fast brake unit, tsaka PMS para gagamitin na lang nila. So, yun muna. Dito ulit.